Have you ever wondered if the legendary lost city of Atlantis truly exists? And if so, where it might be hiding? This enigmatic city, cloaked in mystery, has been a topic of intrigue for explorers and researchers for centuries. The tale of Atlantis, as narrated by the ancient philosopher Plato, captivates our imagination even today, more than 2,000 years later. In his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, Plato introduced Atlantis as a powerful and advanced civilization, flourishing in all aspects of life. It was a city that bore the favor of the gods, yet ultimately it fell into disfavor and met a tragic end, submerged and lost forever beneath the waves of the Atlantic Ocean. The allure of Atlantis is undeniable. Its story is a blend of grandeur, mystery, and a cautionary tale of divine retribution. Yet the question remains, where could this advanced civilization have vanished to? Let's delve into some theories. Plato described Atlantis as an island located beyond the Pillars of Hercules. This legendary place, as per Plato's account, was a utopia of architectural marvels, advanced societies, and remarkable prosperity. The city was said to be made up of concentric islands separated by wide moats and linked by a canal that penetrated to the center. The lush islands contained gold, silver, and other precious metals and supported an abundance of rare, exotic wildlife. The Atlanteans themselves were a sophisticated and peaceful people. They were said to be half god, half human, blessed with immense wisdom, power, and longevity. Their society was organized, disciplined, and they were technologically advanced far beyond the understanding of the time. But like all great tales, the city of Atlantis didn't last forever. As the story goes, the Atlanteans fell out of favor with the gods, and their city was consumed by the sea in a single day and night of catastrophic earthquakes and floods. Now, Plato's vivid depiction of Atlantis has led to countless theories about its existence and location. Some scholars believe that Atlantis was purely a myth, created by Plato to illustrate his philosophical theories. Others, however, believe that the city was real, and propose various locations for its existence. One popular theory places Atlantis in the Mediterranean, suggesting that the city may have been an ancient Minoan civilization on the island of Crete or nearby Santorini, both of which were devastated by a volcanic eruption and tsunami around the same time that Plato says Atlantis disappeared. Another theory suggests that Atlantis is actually located in the Caribbean, beneath the waters of the Bermuda Triangle, an area notorious for its unexplained disappearances of ships and planes. And then there is the theory that Atlantis may be hidden in the icy depths of Antarctica, buried under miles of ice. This theory is based on the idea that the Earth's crust may have shifted dramatically, moving the once tropical Atlantis to the South Pole. With so many theories, are there any clues to the true location of Atlantis? One intriguing theory points us towards the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure. This geological marvel, nestled in the heart of Mauritania, is a remarkable circular formation visible even from space. It's characterized by concentric rings of rock, echoing Plato's description of Atlantis as a city with 3 rings of water and 2 of land. What's fascinating is that the measurements of the Eye of the Sahara align with those Plato gave for Atlantis. The diameter of the outer ring is roughly 23 kilometers, similar to the size Plato attributed to the city. Even more captivating is the presence of a mountainous region to the north, just as Plato described. However, there is a caveat. The Sahara Desert was not underwater during the time Plato said Atlantis existed. This has led to alternative theories suggesting that perhaps the Richat structure is the remnant of a once thriving civilization rather than Atlantis itself. But the Sahara isn't the only place where Atlantis is believed to be. Another theory suggests Atlantis might be located near the Bahamas, specifically along the Bimin Road. This underwater pathway, discovered in the late 20th century, is a captivating arrangement of limestone blocks. These blocks, some measuring up to 13 feet in length, are arranged in a nearly perfect straight line, stretching for half a mile beneath the azure Caribbean Sea. Their geometric precision and alignment have sparked theories that this could be more than a mere natural formation. Could these stone blocks be remnants of an ancient road or perhaps city walls? The resemblance is uncanny and tantalizing. Some enthusiasts argue that this could indeed be part of the lost city of Atlantis, submerged and forgotten beneath the tropical waters. Critics, however, maintain that the Bimin Road is a natural geological phenomenon, a result of the slow and unyielding grind of tectonic forces. So, could Atlantis be buried under the sands of the Sahara or submerged in the waters of the Bahamas? Until we find definitive proof, the lost city of Atlantis will continue to be one of history's greatest mysteries.